Sai, interview daw, Sai!
What's up mga ka-Wonder TV? So, meron na naman tayong mga guests. Sila ay sina
Yoshiko-chan,
ikaw.
Dolly, Kiel, Lilith,
Si cosplay.
Pinkie Pie,
I'm Robin.
Shuya, I'm cosplaying Hachi from Nana.
Ang cosplaying Gojo, Shinjuku. Bakit sila yung napili yung i-cosplay?
Parang ano kasi ito eh. Parang,
Parang
hindi. Parang kaugali, ganun.
Because she's one of my dream cosplay and she's so cute.
My friend likes Shuya, so for her, I cosplayed. I think Hachi has a Harajuku style, so I went with her.
Sorry, ano yung question? Bakit sila yung napili mong i-cosplay? Bakit hindi si
I love watching Jujutsu Kaisen. And mas gusto ko si personality ni Gojo. Ano siya, kaki siya na malakas yung confidence.
So, pwede ba sample ng talent? May talent sa inyo? Kami talent ka?
Wala, nananahilan po ako.
Talent.
I don't have a talent.
I really don't have all.
Talent.
Alin? Wala mo na.
Sige, dancing wala.
Talent naging pogi.
O sige, sample na lang na tagline and posing. O isang rap pa doon, ikot, tagline and then posing. Ha? O ikaw mawala. Tagline and posing. Rap pa doon, ikot. Tagline. Yung sinasabi ng character. O ikaw, next. Tagline and posing.
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Tagline and posing.
Hey, Nana.
Tagline and posing.
I don't know. That guy. What do I do?
Rap pa doon, ikot, tapos tagline. Ikaw, next. Tagline and posing. So, gusto ka ba kayo batiin o shout out? Shout out.
Shoutout sa asawa kong si Loso.
Shout out to all of my mutuals there.
Shout out.
Shoutout sa mga hindi ko pa nakikitang moods. Hi. Shoutout to Yippee Council.
Shoutout sa mga cosplayers niya, magpakabait na kayo.
Okay, magpaalam tayo sa ating mga fans. Sabi guys, mag-focus.
Thank you.
Thank you, Darla. Pag-follow yung page natin.
Subscribe, like, comment, follow, and share.